Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AOC AGON Pro AG326UD, a 32-inch QD-OLED gaming monitor. So friend, AOC has announced cutting-edge 32-inch UHD QD-OLED display offering a stunning 4K resolution with blazing fast 165Hz refresh rate and ultra responsiveness 0.03 millisecond GTG response time and designed for both gamers and creative professionals, and it features NVIDIA G-Sync technology for seamless visual, while the HDMI 2.1 support ensure unmatched responsiveness for next generation console gaming, certified with VESA HDR TrueBlack 400, and it delivers breathtaking brightness and precise color reproduction, making it ideal for both impressive gameplay and demanding creative workflow. With ergonomic design and versatile USB hub and the OLED panel combine the best of OLED and Quantum Dot technology to deliver lifelike visual with true black, ultra rich color and brilliant brightness, and the display offer viewing experience so impressive it feels, and the monitor it comes with built-in USB hub, ensure easy access to essential connectivity, streamline your workspace. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.